Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best kitchen gloves for cooking that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're prepping food, handling raw ingredients, or cleaning up after a meal, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Disposable Vinyl Gloves by Swiftlight. These gloves are designed for everyday kitchen use, offering food-safe, latex-free, and powder-free properties. They're a solid choice for those who need a quick and affordable option for cooking, food prep, or even light cleaning tasks. Their clear vinyl material ensures that you can maintain dexterity while handling utensils or raw ingredients. Plus, the latex-free design makes them suitable for individuals with sensitivities to latex. In terms of design and build quality, the Swiftlight gloves are lightweight and functional. However, their thin material means they might not hold up well under heavy-duty use. During testing, they performed adequately for short-term food prep and light handling tasks. But they did show a tendency to tear when subjected to more rigorous activities like kneading dough or handling sharp objects. As for the value proposition, these gloves are budget-friendly and come in a variety of pack sizes, making them ideal for home cooks who need an economical solution. However, their durability limitations might not make them the best choice for professional kitchens or high-volume use cases. Pros include affordability and a comfortable fit, while cons are their limited durability and lack of heavy-duty performance. Coming in at number 4, we have the Schneider Vinyl Synthetic Exam Gloves. These gloves are a step up in durability, featuring a 4 mm thickness that provides a balance between flexibility and strength. Designed for versatility, they're suitable not only for cooking, but also for cleaning and even medical purposes. The latex-free design ensures they're safe for users with allergies, and their powder-free composition minimizes the risk of contamination. The design and build quality of these gloves are solid. They offer a snug fit that enhances dexterity, making them great for tasks that require precision, such as peeling vegetables or deboning meat. That said, while the 4 mm thickness adds a layer of durability, they are still not the best option for heavy-duty tasks. They performed well for most cooking and food prep scenarios, but prolonged use in wet conditions caused some wear and tear. In terms of value, these gloves strike a good balance between affordability and performance. They're ideal for home cooks who want a slightly more durable option without breaking the bank. Pros include their versatility and improved durability compared to thinner gloves. Cons are that they're still not heavy-duty and may not last long under intense use. At number 3, we have the ProMedix P Nitrile Disposable Gloves. These gloves offer a 4 mm thickness and are made from nitrile, providing superior durability and resistance to tearing compared to vinyl options. They're latex-free and powder-free, making them safe for direct food contact and suitable for users with allergies. These gloves are designed for cooking, household use, and other food-safe applications. When it comes to design and build quality, the ProMedix P gloves feel robust. The nitrile material offers excellent stretch and elasticity, ensuring a snug fit that doesn't compromise dexterity. During testing, they held up well under a variety of conditions, including handling raw meat and kneading dough. Their tear resistance and reliability make them a great choice for both home and professional kitchens. For their price point, these gloves offer great value. They're a bit more expensive than vinyl options, but the added durability and performance make them worth the investment. Pros include their excellent durability, comfortable fit, and versatility. The only con is that they come in smaller pack sizes, which might not be ideal for high-volume use. At number 2, we have the Inspire Black Nitrile Gloves. These heavy-duty gloves are made from 6 mm nitrile, making them the thickest and most durable option on this list. They're designed for high-resistance tasks, including cooking, cleaning, and even handling chemicals. The black color gives them a professional look, which is especially appealing to chefs and caterers. In terms of build quality, the Inspire gloves are excellent. The thicker 6 mm nitrile material provides unmatched durability, making them ideal for tasks that involve sharp objects or prolonged contact with greasy or wet surfaces. During testing, they excelled in both wet and dry conditions, offering a secure grip and zero tears even under heavy use. They're also latex-free and powder-free, making them safe for all users. While they're the most expensive option in our lineup, their performance justifies the price. They're perfect for professionals or home cooks who want a reliable, heavy-duty option. Pros include their exceptional durability, secure fit, and professional appearance. The only downside is their higher price and smaller pack size, which might not be ideal for casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.